Warriors and the USD Golden Tigresses. And as Phil reminded us at the top of our coverage, the last time these two...
Yes, opo.
Oo.
Hindi ko narinig yung sarili ko.
Ang maingay actually dito.
The Lady Warriors in this dark tunnel of a season. Before the game started, Riza shared with me that as one of the seniors of her team, she was focused on building them back brick by brick, determined that even if they entered the season with some blows to their lineup, hindi dapat ipan. Was surprised that she's still leading the scores in terms of blocking. Moving forward, Riza will continue to be one of the atas na masasandala ng UE Lady Warriors, and we'll see how many blocks she'll get for this match. This report is powered by ML. Now back to you, Chicken Phil.
Thanks a lot, Althea. Of course, you're talking about the #1 blocker in the league.
Sarap maging teammate itong si Nogales kasi she knows her role and is also a leader for her team.
Well, talk about leading. That is where UE is.
Kasi nung round 1, actually, extended yung match nila set number 1. 28-26. So, intense itong first set.
And let's take a look at this rally that has not stopped. Pangayan, try to put a stop to it. Pasok ba?
Yes.
Oh, yes.
Itong si Poise, I'm sure, daming options for her.
Another chance here for UST.
Oh, nice
Back
one.
set. Oh, pero buhay pa. How about that defense from UE?
Yes.
And again, these varied shots from Poyos. But the blocking will get the point for USD, and Abu has been on fire. So the first game between these two. Ayun, ace
Although sa basa ko rin, para siya mag-outside na, and then last minute, bumagsak itong service ni Pamulagan here.
Golden Tigers. Cepada, ayun, into the hands of the blockers again. So Kai has to really watch out for that. Oh, back row attack, Poyos. Angel Reyes said it's a sidelight, looking at all of the saves by Angelica Reyes. Cordora will go up. Also, a good block by Nogales. And now we know why she tops the league in blocking. And let's take a look at that. Defensive block brought to you by AA, formerly coverage. Ito, grabe ang maturity niya. And even yung kwento sa atin ni Chelsea, just how she leads the team. And perfectionist, nakikita mo nga.
Yes.
Oh, that's a good one.
Great clean attack from Balingit there. Here. Since the start of the season, and she hasn't slowed down one bit. She's still on top of the digging department with an average of 4.4 digs per set.
Wow.
Binasa ko lang yung script, guys.
Pero good to know, ha?
Yeah.
Ito na nga sabi
And I
natin.
can see her. I can see her. Tanong ko yan, ano kinakain niya eh. Pero, anong breakfast niya? Tinatanong ko.
And you know, if not because of her injury towards the latter part of 86, baka ng rookie MVP pa to.
Oo. Hindi natin maano yung challenge eh. Challenge.
Ayun. Tapos na. First set goes to UST.
Set point naman kayo.
Siya ulit.
One more for UE.
Let's see where Carvalho takes this. Again to knock. Good defense again for UE. Kai Cepada will try to get another point. Pepito, almost, not quite. 3 points now for Kai Cepada. And the heart of the UE Warriors, true to their name.
Yes, Warrior. 4-2 sub. Nag-sub si Coach Kung Fu.
Sayang naman. And we will end this set on a unexpected note.
Sa team skills. Skill ranking ng team.
So, you know, they can really try to score off the bat. We didn't see
First
too many.
Oo.
Hindi naman tayo nakita masyadong errors from the
First offense na nila,
Yes.
si service. Pati natin yung receiving na UST.
UST is number 6.
Yes.
Oo.
So, pwede nilang take advantage yun.
And again, we start off with a rally.
Oh,
good combo attack. Ayan na, di ba? Kung tumikit ka. Here comes Van Bangayan. Good defense by UST.
Wow! Poise after
consecutive points.
3, diba? Tatlo?
Yes.
3 consecutive points for Dora here. Hindi pa siya nag-full swing na.
Warriors. And you know, she's actually been playing all this time with a 150 eyesight with no glasses or contact lenses and told me, blurred yung mukha ng mga tao sa kabila ng court. Nawala ko kasi yung lenses ko. Pero okay lang kasi dahil blurred sila, hindi ako mai-intimidate. And an example of this is one of Keisha's volleyball idol is actually Angge Poyos from the Golden Tigresses. And whenever she has the opportunity to block her spikes,
So UST already just showing their dominance. And they want to enter the Final Four in this kind of form. Pero sabi mo nga, Phil, wala pang sigurado at this point. Yun ang mga picture moments kasi hindi nangyayari yan halos kay Cassie Carvalho.
Speaking of CC pala, idol ko rin yun.
Oh.
Gusto ko makasama mag-weights training. Lakas magbuhat.
Grabe. Head-to-head, si Kai Cepada and like Kyle Cordora are both 5'4" with the same kind of jumping ability. I'm sure this is not the last that we will see of these girls. Sabi nga natin, as we see. Good serve by Kai Cepada. First ball by Pepito. Reyes also with a stop. Ngayon. Oh, nice. Tamang-tama. Sukat na sukat.
I know, that was good timing. Great choice for Bangayan there.
The Hyundai move of the set. That moved the game. Lady Dagger says 25-19. One-handed set. Althea just sending it over and baling it now. Hitting it on the hands there. And another hit out for USD.
Energy for the UE Lady Warriors here.
Oh, that one hit outside and Sinogales really.
Feeling ko mafa-facial niya lang ako. Block point agad.
So dun sila sa mas mababa.
Yes, sa mismatch na blocking. Oh, nice play.
And I think the scout din Sinogales. You know that Kai Cepada na scout.
5'8" lang siya.
5'8", not quite as
pero
tall
parang
as
ang
Risa.
tangkad niya tignan dito. Sure ba yan?
Pero sila, well, si Althea is 6. Si Bianca Plaza is also 6 feet. So, matatangkad nga yung mga middles natin. 5'8" lang yan.
Really?
And take a look again at that defensive block brought to you by AIA, formerly the Lamplight. Good conversion for Banagua. Puntos lang ng puntos. So really, a lot has to do with your mindset and your growth mindset, di ba? And your belief na you will improve. Pero the defense was there. Here.
Emptying the bench, 11 na nga lang sila. Sa USC, ang dami ng substitution for them. There you go, no. Getting the confidence here.
Many of the star UE players lumipat kasi doon. We're not seeing them yet.
Yes.
Na Dongalio, Madriaga, and yun din ang kawalan ng UE Warriors. Hindi natin alam kung if the sets will matter, but UST has to have that mindset na parang they have to win as quickly as possible.
Oh, nice set.
And that was good. So Nop get the winning point. Kanina pa naman.
You can afford those errors nga.
Maybe in a low-pressure game like this, that's something Coach Kung Fu has to remember though. Pagka nandun na sa top 4, they really have to minimize the errors. But I think
Cordora having her moment here. Uy.
Ball back to UST. Poyos will go. Still looking for her 10th point. Wala pa sa double digits. But also because labas-pasok din mga...
Afterwards, the team came together and shouted, "Go Ashley!" on the top of their lungs to show their love and support for their girl. And though the pressure and jitters may be there, there's nothing they can't do with teammates who support you both inside and outside the court. Watch this game on any device in the Philippines or abroad on the Pilipinas Live app. Download and subscribe. Now back to you, Chicky and Phil.
Thanks a lot, Jersey. And we are enjoying really seeing action from the rest of the UST squad.
Go Ashley.
And here's a rally. We saw many more of these in the first set. And finally, Bangayan getting that point.
Finally, UE winning.
7 points for Reg Jurado today. Her season high so far is 22.
Wow.
And that one is inside. So Althea, we're seeing the height advantage coming to play. We'll take a break.
Si Angge Reyes leading the team and always smiling. Yung positivity niya is infectious then for the UE squad.
How can you not appreciate her? And she worked so hard. I mean, nandun naman yung skills niya. And
there you go, diba? With that
Yeah.
save. And I don't regret anything. Except not winning. Charot.
as you take a look at that ace from... Sayang, that would have been a point
I
for
know.
UE. Look at that first ball.
Wow.
Over. And
Worried with that back-to-back error, but you know, yun nga yung itong kinukuha ng kumpiyansa ng player sa bawat game. Oh.
pero yung ganyan, ano, you appreciate Poyos din. She... Mamaya, score is 16-8. As you see on your screen, 16-9 now. Set. There is that urgency, Phil, because they might be able to push it to a fourth like what they did the first time they met.
Round 1, 4 sets sila.
And what we're seeing from the USD side, yun nga is a chance really to see. We were saying before the gap,
Oo nga,
no?
nasabi mo kay Poyo.
Oo, na kahit ganyan siya, 28 points ang season high niya.
Yes.
She's still, parang at that point, where tumitingin pa rin sa coach. I'm still
Yeah.
willing to learn.
I know.
That's a great attitude.
Pero ang masasabi ko lang kay Poyo is
The service line, which is not a good thing for UE.
yes, kalahati ang score here for UE.
Oh. And I think Reg Jurado will still get that point. Like I said, they have their game faces on, like we said, because they're watching the number of sets at this point. They want to win via sweep.
Oh, nice set, single block.
Wow. Good up, though. One more chance here for UST. From the middle. Too much. Too much for UE.
Panagua there.
Right after the Holy Week, and their last game will be against NU.
Ganda na ng games nila.
Maganda, hindi madali.
Yes.
So, it depends on how you look at it.
For volleyball fans.
That's
it's really
right.
line up din si Coach Kung Fu. I mean, yung kaya, akala ko lahat ng players nakalaro na.
And Jurado coming from the right pin. The advantage again of being a lefty. You really have to remember the tendencies and the preferences of... Eto na si Carvalho, linabas na lahat. So, naalala ba niya?
Oo, galing din.
Ooh, good save. Jurado will go up, sending the ball over. And cross court. Good pickup for Nap. And she will go up for the attack. Yun na, lumaganda na. But the defense of UE.
Yes. They have the defense.
Jurado.
Oh, good.
Galing. Buhay pa rin ang bola. Ayaw magpapatay ng UE. Nap again. And she gets it.
The bench goes wild for Nap here. So cute. Everyone cheering for Ashley here.
And let's take a look at that Duncan spike of the set. Brought to you by Duncan, pasalubong ng bayan.
Ang cute naman ng mga UST teammates.
14-23. USC looking for 2 more points.
Althea now is an outside from middle blocker.
Nako, ang
Yeah. Poyos and Unekwe and Althea in front. Nandun naman sa kabila si Althea.
Ooh, good D. Balik sa USC ang bola. Poyos. Joust, they're won by UE. Althea, nasagot. Here comes UE again with the error on the attack. And that is it for the UE Red Warrior.
Big games, Adamson and Nassau.